History of computers. Abacus was first used in America, England, China, none of these. And the correct option is option C, China. The abacus was used in Europe, China and Russia centuries before the adoption of the written Hindu-Arabic numeral system.
जनता माफ नहीं करेगी.
The first device used by the human being for calculation was calculator, abacus, computer, all of these. And the correct option is option B, abacus. An abacus was the first device used by the human being for calculations. It had some bars and each bar compressed few beats.
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया.
Dash was considered as the father of computer. Jacquard Loom, John Napier, Charles Babbage, Howard H. Aiken. And the correct option is option C, Charles Babbage. Charles Babbage is known as the father of computer because his research has given us a machine that could perform calculation automatically.
तो तुम्हें पता नहीं है कौन है.
Dash is known as counting frame. And the correct option is option B, abacus. An abacus was the first mechanical device used by human being for calculations. Calculations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. It looked like a frame with some bars and beads. This is why it was also known as counting frame.
अच्छा, हमको सिखा दिया है.
For calculating, Dash used 9 separate ivory strips, bones marked with numerals to multiply and divide. Slide rule, Napier bones, calculating clock, abacus. And the correct option is option B, Napier's bone. John Napier, a Scottish mathematician and scientist, invented a machine known as Napier bone that performed multiplications. It had 9 different bones or strips and each strip had numbers written over there.
कौन है ये लोग? कहाँ से आते हैं?
ADVAC stands for Electronic Dash Variable Automatic Computer, Digital, Discrete, Drum, Desktop. And the correct option is option B, Discrete. ADVAC is the successor to ENIAC. ADVAC was invented in 1940 by J. Presper Eckert and John McLean at the University of Pennsylvania.
वाह.
The following image represents analytical engine. It was invented by Herman Horrit, Vannevar Bush, Howard H. Aiken, Charles Babbage. The correct option is option D, Charles Babbage. Analytical engine was the first general-purpose mechanical digital computer. It was totally program control automatic computer.
इतने तेजस्वी लोग हैं हमारे पास.
Abacus is used for drawing pictures, painting, performing calculations, all of these. And the correct option is option C, performing calculations. Abacus was the first mechanical device used by human being to perform mathematical calculations. Calculation and counting were carried out by sliding beads along roads.
तू समझा?
हाँ.
नहीं, तू समझा नहीं.
The following image represents Napier's bone device that helps in painting, drawing, calculating, none of these. And the correct option is option C, calculating. John Napier, a Scottish mathematician and scientist, invented a machine known as Napier bone. It contained wooden rods with numbers written over them.
समझ रहे हो? समझ रहे हो आप? समझ रहे हो?
Next, the following image represents difference engine invented in 1622, 1722, 1822, 1922. And the correct option is option C, 1822. In 1822, Babbage designed a machine known as difference engine that automatically calculates mathematical tables.
Miracle, miracle, miracle.